mention that there are a few types of HIIT stuff out there, but the latest research is showing that the most efficient timing is 30-20-10, and the most efficient time is 7 to 15 minutes. So you could just do 7 minutes, but we want to get to the whole body today and just kind of show you different areas and what it feels like. And we've turned some of the fitness type moves more into yoga looking moves, and so this is really the newest, most cutting edge way to do it that I don't think many people are doing it. Because you go online and you can see this stuff, it's like 45 minutes long. It's too much, man. And it does, your body will do the exact same thing in less time. So why? Why? Longer is not better in this case. But only in this case.
And you're right.
Good.
Like I'm just jacking up my knees. Yeah.
Harder is not better.